I had my pickup screwed up because I was thinking about a different pickup switch, and I was just raising my, you know how you do stuff in the process of thinking. I messed up my I had my bridge pickup down too far. I had my cap twisty thing in the wrong spot. I had some stuff was set up wrong, but anyhow, this is more on axis, and I don't have it very loud because I don't want to make the compression on the phone go on top of the compression of YouTube. So I'm just playing this one little part again. Anyways, Old Cat Stevens. I grew up with that stuff when I was a kid.